This year, Earth Day is being celebrated under the theme of our power, our planet, calling everyone to unite for renewable energy. Every year on April 22, people across the world unite to mark Earth Day, organizing events and raising awareness of environmental threats. Earth Day is celebrated with mission of broadening, educating and activating the environmental movements worldwide. Why is Earth Day observed? Earth Day is an opportunity for people to contribute towards the alarming crisis faced by Earth and also to celebrate the green initiatives taken around the world. The crisis discussed ranged from increased plastic pollution and depletion of resources. World Earth Day 2025 theme. According to Earth Day, the theme of World Earth Day 2025 is our power, our planet with a focused renewable energy.